I've got mixed feelings about this next product. Maybe it's because I come from a blended family. Can you guess what today's product is? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a couple of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. We review all the latest and greatest Amazon products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the secret hashtag hidden somewhere in today's video. You'll need it if you want to be in the running to win. So, what product are we reviewing today? It's the Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set. The Magic Bullet has been an absolute phenomenon since its launch way back in 2003. But why? It's not exactly a new product. Blenders have been around for almost a century. But the Magic Bullet set itself apart by marketing itself as an all-in-one smoothie maker / food processor / awkward breakfast conversation piece. The result was viral fame, with the Magic in NutriBullet selling over 50 million units and counting since 2003. Now, it hasn't been all smooth sailing for the Magic Bullet. After a wave of lawsuits by people who weren't great at reading the instruction manual, the company was forced to put big idiot-proof warnings on how to use it. But for 99.99% of people who don't try to blend carbonated soda for 5 minutes straight, the Magic Bullet has been a godsend. Straight out of the box, the Magic Bullet feels really well put together. The base is solid, with enough weight to keep it from toppling over when in operation. And the cup, well, it clicks securely in and out of place with a simple twist. Inside the base is a 250-watt high-torque motor, powering 4 cross blades that can handle almost any kind of food or drink. While it's famous for smoothies and fruit juice blends, the Magic Bullet is capable of chopping, mixing, blending, whipping, grinding, and pureeing an almost infinite list of ingredients. Just add crushed ice for delicious smoothies and a half a cup of water for a smooth fruit or vegetable juice blend. The Magic Bullet blender also comes with a whole stack of accessories, including a milling blade for grinding grains or coffee beans, a travel mug, and 2 flip-top lids for easy juice on the go. So, what do we like about the Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set? For those of us that have a daily smoothie or a protein shake, the Magic Bullet is amazing. It's fast, easy, and leaves little mess after the fact. Plus, the additional attachments mean that I can take my freshly blended frappe with me, simply by using the 22-ounce mug in one of the 2 supplied flip-top to-go lips. So, what's the downside? This particular Magic Bullet isn't as powerful as some of its bigger and stronger cousins on the market and can struggle through some food, especially if it's frozen. If you do have to add ice, we recommend crushing it beforehand, or you can risk burning out the motor. So, what's the verdict? We are fans of the Magic Bullet, but whether or not you are will come down to personal preference. For what we use it for, it's perfect. But if you're planning on drinking a daily ice frappe, you may want to take a look at NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, or the 900-watt motor, or the NutriBullet Pro. We give it a rating of 3 stars. And the Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules, as they always are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you're paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. Well, then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck, y'all. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.